from Grand Vilia Hotel again. As our hotel reopens and the world begins to travel again, I would like to introduce you to some of the measures we are taking to safeguard your health, safety, and well-being during your stay at Grand Vilia Hotel. Everyone arriving at our properties has their temperature checked and must sanitize their hands. Guests have the option to check in online prior to arrival. Please contact our staff by email to assist you with online check-in. Our rooms are thoroughly cleaned and disinfected after every stay. Every room contains a personal hygiene kit with hand sanitizer for each guest. Safety distance between the guests will be maintained in all the spaces of our hotel. Now we are ready to welcome you again into our hotel with the same warmth and hospitality we have always done. We hope you can enjoy your stay at Grand Vilia Hotel. In the meantime, please stay safe and healthy.